Okay, here we are doing 12.2. You're going to be using sine, cosine, and tangent to find missing parts of a triangle. So first let's look at something that just flat out asks you what is the cosine of 12. Well, all you have to do is make sure your calculator is on degree mode and then just put cosine 12 and get your answer. So 0.978. Now, if you're looking for an angle, you have to say, for example, it says tangent of angle A is 9.2151. So if you're looking for an angle, you have to go second tangent, say it'll come up tan to the -1, and then punch in 9.2151, and this will give you the angle, and this is 83.8 degrees. So we will be using both of these functions to find the missing parts of triangles. So let's take a look at number 16. We're trying to find all the missing parts. So don't forget, you only have to find one angle because then you can use the fact that triangles add up to 180 degrees to find the other one. So let's take a look at this. Let's work with angle X. We can say the sine of X is 12 over Y. And we don't have to worry about that. I don't know why I did that. But look at, sorry. See, it's just like being in the classroom. Look at what they give you. They give you 15 and 12. So in relation to angle X, they are the side adjacent and the side opposite. So opposite and adjacent. Think to yourself which trigonometric function contains the two that they give you. And it's that one. So now we can set up the problem. The tangent of X equals opposite over adjacent. And then you can do just like we did over here. You can say second tangent and punch in 12 divided by 15. And you come up with 38.66. So angle X is 38.66 degrees. So now we can say 90 plus 38.66 is 128.66. And then we can say 180 minus 38.66, and that will give us angle Z. So let's go ahead and do that. And that gives us 51.34. So angle Z equals 51.34 degrees. And then you can simply use the Pythagorean theorem to find y. So you can use Pythagorean theorem, the fact that angles add up to 180, and your sine, cosine, and tangent to solve for your missing parts. So you can just say 15 squared plus 12 squared equals y squared. And you will come up with your answer, which I'm not going to do because I'm rushed for time because people keep knocking on the door while I'm doing this, and I want to get to 30. Word problems. Most important thing to do with word problems is to draw the picture and draw a right triangle. So I'm doing number 30. It talks about a submarine going down at a 12-degree angle of depression. An angle of depression is the angle going from the horizontal downward. So when I draw this triangle, this is 12 degrees, and according to alternate interior angles, this will be 12 degrees. So right away, you have all the degrees in this triangle. The depth is 348 feet. So it wants to know how far it has to travel to get to that depth. So you are looking for the hypotenuse. So if you look, this is the side opposite 12. and that's the hypotenuse, and you're looking for the hypotenuse. So you can write this problem as the sine of 12 degrees equals 348 over the hypotenuse, cross multiply, hypotenuse times the sine of 12 degrees equals 348, then divide both sides by sine of 12 degrees, and you'll find your answer. Thank you.